Hello everybody. This is a introductory video for the next 5 episodes which are going to be covered under armed forces and geopolitics. 5 episodes have been done by me with Professor Sonali Chitalkar from Miranda House, Delhi University. She is a professor of political science and international relations. The genesis of these 5 videos happened to be a talk, a Google Meet, that I was having with the Miranda House students and the public. Almost for about 1 hour, the discussion went on very nicely. But towards the end, as a last question, there was one gentleman, a youth, who asked me one question. And my instant reply to him was, to answer your question, I require one session. And today, as I talk to you, that one session has been converted into 5 episodes under the title Armed Forces and Geopolitics, Colonel Sanjay Pandey with Professor Sonali Chitalkar. What was the question he had asked? The youth asked me, what corrective measures can be taken since we have lost the physical identity, and is there a way that the men in a uniform can help us regain that identity? If you want to see this video is already uploaded on my YouTube channel under the title Informal Discussion on India and Afghanistan with Professor Sonali Chitalkar. That one simple question results in 5 episodes. You can imagine how serious the matter is. Armed forces and the geopolitics. What is so big about this? Each episode will reveal to you something. The aim basically is to first see, is there any connection of geopolitics with armed forces? And it ends with theaterization. That is the talk of the day. So how exactly is this entire thing connected? There are certain reasons why I am giving you this introductory video. We are in the 75th year of independence. India is on a very, very, very dangerous point in its history. The talk about IAS versus armed forces, politicians versus the IAS manipulating the politicians and everyone having their own turfs to guard. The generals projecting themselves as absolutely holy cows, being wronged by the bureaucrats. I think this all has to be taken as past. In one of the episodes, Professor Sonali talks about NGOs. I have completely changed the definition of that NGOs. Anyone who talks against the state, anyone who talks against the interest of the state, anyone who talks against the interest of India, as far as I am concerned, he is not a person who wants good for India. Whether that is a bureaucrat who is manipulating or whether there is a general who does not speak. All of them have to be taken as the NGOs, the anti-state. Why? Because what you will hear in these 5 episodes is what is best for the nation, what is best for the country. And as India, as one nation, if we do not have one voice, if we do not have one projection for the globe, we will never be taken seriously. In the recent past, you have seen, while the government does one thing, there are so many organizations which stay within the country, the people stay within the country, and which talk against the organization, against the nation. In the foreign press, we cannot have that sort of a situation. So when you see these 5 episodes, you will realize that there is a very big case for geopolitics to become part of curriculum of youth, regardless of which field they go in, so far as at the end of the day, whatever they do is for the national security. And this is where these 5 episodes lead you to. Anyone who objects to for guarding their tough, I think, is not working for India. You will enjoy the discussion I have with Professor Sonali Chitarkar, and look forward to you watching each and every of the next 5 episodes. Thank you so much, and thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, Colonel Sanjay Pandey. Thank you.